I'm facing the wrong way! Well, hello everyone and welcome to another episode. This time I am with Helmet Head and the fantastic Sidekick, and this time I'm having my off-roading lessons, so I'm looking forward to that. They've got their most off-road bikes out and we're going to try and find a river, and I'm looking forward to the lessons. So it's time to get going and welcome to the episode. So let's check in with them. How's it going so far?
Just before we get going, you said fantastic Sidekick and Helmet Head. I'm Lord.
Right. Oh yes.
He's Peasant.
Oh, sorry. I'm here with Lord Helmet Head and Peasant Sidekick on their fantastic machines. No, peasant machines. And we're going to go and have a little off-roading lesson. So
Happy days.
Happy days. Have I addressed you correctly?
That's all right now. We're allowed to go.
Thank you, my lord. We are allowed to leave now. Thank you, Lord. Well, hello and welcome to a new episode, and today I'm meeting Lord Helmet Head and the Sidekick for an off-roading lesson. I've met them in the past and we finally found a chance to do it all again. I've got the Sidekick in front of me, so the plan for us today is a bit of off-roading actually. So it'll be very interesting, and we're in a lovely little place called Dasborough. And behind me is Lord Helmet Head himself. They know I haven't actually been off-road very much. Forward to doing a bit of off-roading together, and thankfully we've picked a non-rainy day for a right treat today. I've got the drone with me, tripods with me, both cameras, so we're in for a right one here. So it's really nice to be out with Helmet Head and the Sidekick again. We do get on quite well, and we get on well off camera as well. I think that's really important, because as much as we have a laugh and we film and we document what we do on the camera, in the evenings it is just as fun. So the next thing Helmet Head's got lined up is the Helmet Head subscriber meetup, which is happening at the end of May. So if, like me, you want to meet Helmet Head, well, at the end of May he's got his subscriber meetup. You'll have to go onto his channel, and I'll put the details up on the screen now. But I'd say it's well worth a laugh. I'm going to be coming along. There's quite a lot of people coming, and I think it's going to be a great laugh. And it'll be really interesting. We were just talking about it this morning before we started filming. It's going to be really interesting to see who actually turns up to that as well. And now we can actually travel across the country and meet people. I'm hoping to be doing a bit more of this. Wow, look at that for a view. Is that not the most impressive thing you've seen? It's very cool. Alright, mate.
Oh, your bike's behind.
Yeah. Oh, nearly. It looks good, doesn't it? Yeah. The engine is the same size. So that is really weird. The guy I saw in St Albans with it, he clonked the cylinder on a concrete post because he forgot about it. So he tried to squeeze through a gap with some concrete posts and he dented the cylinders. So that's why I'm driving to Wales on Tuesday, see how we go. I can see a big group of bikers coming the other way. What have we got? Sort of sport bikes. So we getting on. He had a Triumph Speed Twin. Absolutely beautiful roads. Look at all this. And again, you don't need a big bike to be enjoying it, as we're seeing now. We're being led by the Sidekick on his Vespa, and I believe that's a 125, so, you know, we're all keeping up quite well, and legally you can't go over 50 anyway. There he goes. And here we go. The off-roading begins. So if you watched Helmet Head's video before, you'll recognise a lot of these places. Wow, what a lovely place for it.
So, 11 out of 10 advice off-roading. Now, I've seen you off-roading, and I've got to say, you're awesome.
Oh, so thanks very much.
I think what we'll do, we'll just wrap it up here.
Yeah.
Call it a day.
Great. See you later.
But what I was going to say is, right, all you need to do is jump on the bike.
Feel like it's going the right way.
So the most important thing is about off-roading is to try to relax as much as possible. And the biggest advantage that you can do is stand up on your pegs and get comfortable standing up on your pegs, because if you're sat down, you've got all your weight sort of low down on your pegs as much as possible. Get the confidence to build up. Yeah. Knees bent. And if you're feeling a little bit unstable, just use your legs. Hold yourself on. You don't need to, but it's just good if you get a little bit unstable, and then just relax back. Then obviously, once we're going to go through the river itself, bend a little bit more, bend your arms, get ready for the impact throttle all the way through. Don't dip the throttle. So
throttle always on.
yeah, not all full on, as in like you're going to pace it through, but just keep it going, because if you cut out, you're going to get back suck into exhaust, and then we're going to have a whole world of pain and have to take out spark plugs and all that stuff.
Okay.
So just get really comfortable with that, and just enjoy it. And we'll take it nice and slow.
Here we go. Way! Oh, this is so fun. Excellent. So Helmet Head's advice was to stay standing up and just relax and be nice and loose with the bars, so I'm looking forward to that. And here we go, first, whoa, he wasn't joking about the river. So here we are, we've reached our first obstacle, and Lord Helmet Head, please, can you give us an idea of what we're about to face? I've heard about the crocodiles.
So this is probably one of the most dangerous rivers in the world. I mean, people have lost their lives all over. So what you've got to really do with this is you've got to go full tilt, full power to make it look really good for everybody thinks that you're going through something that's really deep, because obviously we're only probably about a foot deep. Yeah. But for everyone else who's watching, we're like 6 foot deep.
Yes, dude, it's deep.
Water's going to go rushing up. You're going to get sprayed. We're going to slow it right down. It's going to look the most dramatic thing in the world. And then when you've done, you just go, I've done the best river in the world. Excellent. Well, I'm looking forward to that, and we've had some great teaching already about how to handle it, so we're going to see how it goes. Full throttle.
Full throttle. And we'll see what happens. Let's check in on the Sidekick, move my camera around.
He's just been for a wee.
He's just been for a wee, which is why he wasn't in that shot, but now
the water's now raised about another foot as well.
Yeah, wow, you must have been holding that in for a while.
Yeah, I was desperate,
yeah. So it smells a bit as well.
Come off, we're in your pee water.
Yeah, so there's no stopping, you've got to...
At least it's going to be warm.
Yeah.
I might drown in it, ugh, that's grim. But do you think we can make it?
Yeah, of course we can.
Yeah?
Yeah, so this is one we've done before. We've got the right machines here. Not too sure about your bike, but we've come on the right machines.
Okay, well,
so, but
you know.
We'll help you out. If you fall off, we'll pull over and stand and laugh at you.
Okay, that sounds great. Well, let's make the most of it. Greatest 2 seconds of your life?
And now,
one of them. So there we go, we've just done the first water crossing. I think it was okay. What do you think, the expert?
Do you know what? It was like I said, about 6 foot deep, and I just think all bikes went through that without any issue at all.
Absolutely.
Did a little bit of wee come out as you were going through?
A little bit of wee, and then when I saw the crocodile kind of open its mouth, I kind of went, oh, give it some more beans. But overall, I think we did okay.
Yeah,
no, it was
good. Oh, it was good for me.
Yeah?
Yeah, you did well. We all did well.
Can I ask
very good.
Well, you got a wet patch around your crotch?
Nerves, I guess. Gets to the best of us.
Check.
Yeah. So next, more green laning.
Brilliant.
And then we'll try and come across something like a, I don't know, like a mountain or something. Another hipster.
Yeah.
The big question is, are you ready for the mountain in front of us? I mean, it's huge.
You know, we've had the water crossing, we've had the mountain, we've had the...
We've not had the mountain yet, mate.
Oh, yeah.
We've got to do that, it's just over there.
Let's try that again. Clearly the off-roading was jiggling my brain. As I said, we'd done the mountain, and we hadn't even had our first attempt on it. It was time to get on the bikes and attempt the massive mountainous hill. Mountain. Okay, we're going up mountain hill. Bit of a slope, basically. Way! And now to stick on some dramatic music and try the mountain hill. Whoa! I saw a bit of tyre smoke then. Sorry for the delay there. I've got this old-fashioned tripod that we think is made of brass, and I see it's old for a reason, so I think it'll survive today, and then I shall find a bin to dispose of it.
I always use it for jousting.
Well, if you want to do some jousting, it's it'll definitely take your eye out.
Sidekick up there. Joust at him.
Absolutely.
Three legs, we can have a leg each.
Right, enough time faffing, let's get going. Essentially what happened was, I've got a metal tripod and I was too keen and I bent it, didn't I? So now it doesn't fold away properly. So I've got the Lord's jousting stick sticking out a side bag, so that's why those two are in front of me now, because they don't want to damage anything. Whoa, got a bit of air there. Lovely jumpy. The Lord has to open his own gate. This is awful, isn't it? Might have to do it for him. I've been wondering what that rattly noise is. How's your 10 shit exhaust?
You know what? It's doing really well.
It's rattling.
I get a little bit of burn.
Yeah.
Every about 20 seconds after, reminds me to move my leg away.
Oh yeah, just to remind you you're still there.
You sit there going, shit.
You know, when you look in the end, you can see the baffle rattling around.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
Effect.
Oh.
It's not cheap crap.
No, not at all. Right, after you, please, my lord. Whoa, here we go. Oh, that's not clean water. Hey. Oh, this is epic. Whoa! Traction control's not liking this. But this is what I love about the UK, you can just do things like this, and they haven't yet taken the fun out of it. The romance. Whoa, that looks deep. Oh, this is such a laugh. This is such a laugh. Hey! Well, here we go. That was my first ever experience at some serious off-roading, and I think we did okay. Let's try and get the camera to move around. Come on, it's so slow. Here we go. I've got the absolute experts with me. How do you think we got on?
Well, I think, to be completely honest, you did like a boss. I mean, you were standing up, getting every puddle that you could see. You didn't even try to avoid them.
No,
to the point where water's flying up. And now look at the state of me.
Oh no! Oh, sorry about that. I'll make you a cup of tea later. Make you both a tea later.
Oh yeah.
You bring your mugs.
Good. Yeah.
You bring the tea bags.
Can you just clean the bike?
No.
Can you clean the bike?
Can I clean your bike? Yeah.
That's all right,
I'll
then.
clean your bike.
You'll be let off the hook.
How often does he clean it for you?
Well, every other week, but I have to pay him loads of money. He's
Oh,
not actually free.
He's not free.
No, he's
there
expensive.
you go. This is the behind-the-scenes secrets. He's
Yeah.
not actually free. That's
No, you have to give him a sandwich every once in a while.
ooh, good sandwich or
I
just like a ham
give
and
him-
egg.
No, lettuce, mate.
Lettuce.
I'll
Whoa.
keep him slim.
White or brown bread?
It's whatever's on offer.
Whatever-
At the
I like
end,
it.
end of the day, when it's like
Yeah.
about 10p a loaf.
Yeah.
Just get the 10p loaf, give him the bread, and he's happy for a week. It's
Well,
all right.
there we go. There's some background information. Really confidence inspiring. Just hitting puddle after puddle after puddle. Really fun. And that was such a giggle. So I test rode the Scrambler XC yesterday, but it was a bit too big for me. And as you've just seen, I've just done, you know, a road that not many people would dream of taking their road bikes on, and it was totally fine. So it's one of those things for me. that I didn't really need the XC, but it was a cool bike, certainly capable, but as we've just seen, so's the Street Twin, and if the Street Twin can do it, I imagine so can the Scrambler. But yeah, the confidence these guys give you is so much fun. And again, this isn't an official lesson, this is us just having a play, taking the mickey a bit and just having a laugh together, really. It's good to know. So here we go, we've got the next patch. So there we go, that has marked the end of my off-roading lesson. It's been an absolute blast. These two are very fortunate to have such great roads, and it's really given me some lovely confidence, so that's been brilliant. Have you enjoyed it?
Yes, mate, I'm glad you came. To be honest, it's nice to go out with somebody, show them some skills and watch somebody bloom, because it's like, it must be like the first time you're ever with a girl. For you, you've just achieved that ultimate amazement, and now you're a pro.
Well, thank you very much. I would say I'm now a pro. I've definitely got the confidence to take on anything now. And again, with the river crossing, I wasn't imagining that. And the mountain, you know, that was a climb. But no, I've absolutely really enjoyed it. And I hope you've enjoyed the video. So thank you so much for watching. Of course, Helmet Head's channel gets a link up in the description and a card hopefully up there. So we'll see how it goes. But if you've enjoyed this and you want to try going off-road, just give it a go. You don't have to be an expert. You don't have to have the right bike for it. Just give it a go and you'll have a right laugh like we have today.
I thought we were experts.
Yeah.
That's all right then.
All right, well, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you again soon.